We begin tonight with the soaring COVID surge. The U.S. is now back to where it was 6 months ago in terms of new daily infections. NIH Director Dr. Francis Collins says we should never have gotten to this point. And as schools begin to resume in person, there is growing concern for children. Doctors at one hospital in Florida tell ABC News they are seeing more pediatric COVID patients now than at any other time in the pandemic. Guidance expected soon on booster shots for the immunocompromised. These images are from an Emory University study now underway. What the FDA is saying in just a moment. More than 68% of eligible Americans have had at least one dose. Top health officials now have a renewed sense of urgency, telling the unvaccinated it is not too late. ABC's Janae Norman leads us off tonight.
Tonight, the Delta variant fueling yet another COVID-19 surge. The U.S. averaging nearly 100,000 new daily cases, the highest since February. Some of the nation's top health officials frustrated, calling this latest surge preventable.
I'm afraid we should not really have ever gotten in the place we are. Most of the cases, of course, now in unvaccinated people. Almost all of the deaths are unvaccinated people. And these are younger people now, including children.
Florida now with the highest number of confirmed pediatric COVID patients in the country. At Broward Health Medical Center in Fort Lauderdale, doctors say they're seeing more children admitted than at any point during the pandemic.
It's very upsetting. It's very anxiety-provoking for the child. We're seeing children, that are complaining of air hunger, because their oxygen sats are low, they're struggling to breathe, and it's very sad.
Some of the largest school districts in the state defying Governor Ron DeSantis' ban on masks, instituting their own mask mandates for students, but still allowing parents to opt out. Florida now accounting for 20% of all cases across the country.
Hey, Mr. Johnson.
In Jacksonville, Lawrence Johnson was hesitant to get the vaccine, but after spending 22 days in the ICU with COVID, he now says he regrets not getting the shot.
I am a living witness. Had I got a vaccination, I wouldn't be here right now.
In Louisiana, Denise Harris, who works in a Baton Rouge hospital, finally deciding to get the vaccine. Tears rolling down her face as she received her first shot, saying she wanted to set an example for her 4 children.
If mom haven't took the COVID shot, why should they? So I have to set the tone for my kids.
And with the possibility that booster shots could still be needed this fall, Emory University conducting a clinical trial to determine the effectiveness of mixing and matching different COVID-19 vaccines as booster shots. Thomas O'Meara was originally vaccinated with the single J&J shot. As part of the trial, he's now received a second shot, also of Johnson & Johnson.
My hope would be that everybody ultimately gets the vaccine. In a small way, if this can help alleviate some of the concerns or some of the fears that somebody who's unvaccinated may feel.
Certainly the hope of many health officials. Janae Norman joins us now. And Janae, what do we know about the possibility of booster shots being recommended in the coming months?
Well, Lindsay, right now, no booster shots are recommended. In a few weeks, though, we do anticipate the FDA will recommend booster shots for people who are immunocompromised. But at this point, the CDC and FDA both maintain there's just not enough data showing that immunity has waned enough to warrant booster shots for the general population. Lindsay.
Janae, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.